So the Matou project started when I reached out to this website to find some Samoan language tutors. And before that, I've been looking everywhere, just trying to find some good learning content. And I found some things, but they were really traditional academic type stuff, and it was hard for me to follow. So the tutor that I found, I actually found two of them, and I mentioned to both of them. I said, it would be great if someone would come up with some content for people of this generation, basically. And both of them are like, let's do it. Let's do something. Well, that's all I needed to hear. And once I grab onto something, I just go with it. And my background is in business plan writing, mobile app development. So before the next tutoring session, I had a business plan drafted up, and I had a mock-up of the Matou app. And the tutors were, they would handle the language portion of it, and I would do all of the production, all of the mobile stuff. Nobody would ever see me. The thing about me is once I get started, I don't stop. And when I put a schedule together, I stick with it. And the plan was for them to do daily videos. It turns out they didn't have the time, that was required, at least according to my plan. And so the daily videos turned into once a week, then the weeks didn't happen, so once a month. And then after that, it was just like, okay, well, sorry, we can't really do this. And, I've been in that situation before. That doesn't stop me. I kept on going with it. That's how I ended up being a rapper. That's another long story, but anyway, one person don't stop anything. My passion for this project is stronger than anything outside of my family. And that feeling of, less than, embarrassment for not knowing the language and all that kind of stuff, that's something I want to eliminate from the world. Like, I have a deep passion to just get rid of that. And the key is simple: knowing the Samoan language. That's my mission.